Hey guys, welcome to another Food Addict video, huh? Food Addict Denver. Homemade noodles, right? Without further ado, let's get straight to it. Without further ado,
I do want to travel, and it gives me such peace of mind to know that I have this really simple and yet trusted way of getting all the nutrition I need.
Old school online security tools leave you
Oxtail,
protected. Get NordVPN with a next-gen antivirus. Avoid online scams, malware, and phishing. Get NordVPN today.
Oh, what a
What a work for Limited to do here. Had opportunities early on to get the vital work
phim
of serves
chặt
able to
chẽ
convert.
nên con đấy.
And serving here now to reduce this deficit to 2-5.
Hết rồi.
Double can. Lap 15.
Please smash like, subscribe. Most importantly, if you want to catch new videos, turn on notifications, huh?
Now up to 15.
He's a little rattled, isn't he? The chances
got,
became a win.
Oxtail and pork,
He didn't
all in
convert
one.
early. It seems like it may have scrambled him a little bit. That's one-way traffic the last 16 points.
Hết rồi, bước tiếp đi.
You don't need your glass half full type of guy, but every now and then I'm going to compare the match
spicy, huh?
against Kabuli, Warren Girls. Might be another occasion this evening. 3 set points here for Ben Shelton.
Rồi nó làm gì?
Rồi. Holly.
Just got told that, so it's a little cool.
Holly.
After a shaky start, he was struggling in his opening couple of service games. He really hit the ground running thereafter and finished very strongly. 6 games to 2.
Holly.
An original calls the shots. Flex some muscle. Redefines the genre. And knows originality should always be within reach. TJ Maxx. Never uniform. Always you.
You think carefully about what fuels your body.
The way you move, the food you eat.
Aquasana water filters reduce contaminants, delivering clean, healthier water.
When your water is better, everything touches these two.
Now up to 50% off
Cứng
at
hả?
aquasana.com.
This is what you get with cubic zirconia status. This is what you get when you're known as diamond status.
Nó ra cỡ rồi mà. Ra không kêu nó mua mới có, mua đi có.
Held honors, baby.
Đây rồi.
When your upgrade is confirmed ahead of time, but sleeping arrangements are not. It matters where you stay. Hilton. For the stay.
Holly, tell him to subscribe.
Để bỏ cho nó ăn người ta nằm mà.
Holly.
First met Jaden, he was still in school, and you could tell that he was special.
My mom introduced us, and we kind of just hit it off from the jump.
When he opened up his first account, it was pretty nice, but from the get-go...
Holly, tell him to subscribe.
I'm still learning at 25, asking questions and being a lot more present in those type of conversations. But John
Có mà từ biết là nhiều nó ăn hết.
with a blessing.
JP Morgan Wealth Management.
No more.
Kệ đó đừng cho nó ăn nữa.
No more. Come on. No more.
Well, we are guaranteed an All-American final here north of the border as Brandon Nakashima reaches his 5th and biggest ATP Tour final. Officially a Masters 1000 finalist and just one win away from champion. And big for all of us. He decided to give us some of his time here at the Motorola Razor test. Congratulations. What a victory. How did it feel out there for you, and how did you feel like you executed your strategy today?
Yeah, I felt great out there. From the beginning, I knew I had to, be aggressive. I knew I had to hit my serve well. So, yeah, super happy with the level throughout the whole match.
Serve came up clutch in some very big moments there, especially fending off those break points at the end. But talk me through your forehand and the net game today. I thought that was some of the best you've ever done, either of those two things. How much time have you put in, and was that the best you've done it in a big match?
Yeah, I definitely think so. Before Washington, we had a week of training and really focused on the forehand and on the serve, just some little technical things here and there. So really happy that it was paying off. I think today I hit the forehand and coming to the net, one of the best that I've done this whole year. So yeah, super happy with the level.
I feel like now compared to 12 months ago, you have a lot more options out there now. So you have more patterns, you have more weapons to be able to use. In big matches like this, against someone playing so well, you really got to pick and choose the right shots at the right time. Second serve and volley, 130 in that last game. A bunch of interesting choices you made. How much did you have to sort of get courage, the bravery going to use new elements in the big moments today?
Yeah, I mean, going into that last game, I knew there was definitely going to be some nerves. After the first few points, he wasn't going to be missing from the baseline, so I knew I had to do something different, kind of change it up. So even serving volley on the second serve, I knew my volley game and coming to the net, I was very confident in. So I mean, why not at that point? And yeah, especially in the end, serving well and hitting the forehand were the big key things.
Prakash is talking about the changes you've made in 12 months. You mentioned having that training block there right before DC. When you have a moment, obviously the tour is nonstop, but when you have a moment like that to be able to fix things mid-season, do you like doing that? Is that something that adds confidence, or do you only get confidence once you see it pay dividends?
I think in the middle of the season, I think it's good. I mean, honestly, we weren't, spending so many hours on the court.
Right.
Like we were, kind of taking it easy. Obviously, working on very specific things while we're out there on the court. But at the same time, taking some time to rest and kind of reset the mind too. And yeah, ultimately, it's been paying off, especially in these big tournaments.
It's been really exciting to see you and Wayne come together. Wayne was a great champion. Wayne was top 10. Talk to me about mentality. I know you guys have made a lot of changes in the game, but as far as mentality, how has he helped you?
I think the biggest thing is trusting my game in those critical points. Giving me the confidence to go after my shots in those moments. Obviously, in the past, I would be playing at a really high level, and then sometimes when it would be coming down to the end, I would get a little bit tired, or I'll start pushing the ball a little bit more. But now I feel like I can go for my shots, hit my serve spots well.
All right, thank you for watching all the way to the end, huh? We got some next one
from him, and